What's up everyone, so in this video I'm gonna share you how cool this tool that will help you to create the table and even the quiz only in one platform, guys. And the platform that I'm gonna talk about is this, the Google Notebook LM. You can simply open it, notebooklm.google.com, and as always, don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the home page. And the thing that you can create is here a lot, guys. For example, go to this create new, and this will be suitable if you are from the educational background. And about the topic that I'm going to put into the table and also the quiz, I'm gonna talk about the workout history timeline. For example, from this website, thank you for the narrative, you can copy this link and put the link into this section, and kindly wait for this Google Notebook LM to extract every information into this section, just to give you the confirmation about the things that you would like to put into this data table or this quiz, guys. And after all of this information being gathered, so you can go to this section, let's say generate data table from your sources. Click this and kindly wait for the result, and you can also do both tasks. Click this and kindly wait for the result to the quiz and data table. And for example, here you see that the table is now ready. You can simply open it and expand the viewer, and this is the result, guys. Isn't that cool, right? From this year until 2026, guys. Very updated. And kindly wait for the quiz. And after waiting for a while, so this is the quiz we have, and let's see the result. This is the interactive quiz. For example, this one, not quite. And this also gives you the right answer, guys. Go to the next question. For example, this one. Okay, I'm gonna play it until the end, and there will be 12 questions, guys. And for example, which player scored 2 header in 1988? 1998. Okay, Zinedine Zidane. Okay. The World Cup was first to be the co-hosted by two nations. I guess this one. Okay, South Korea and Japan. The World Cup, Germany achieved a historic semi-final result before winning the title. What was the score of that semi-final against host nation Brazil? Okay, this is the right answer. And this is the last one. Okay, and done. And this is the result, guys. They will give you the complete result and the topic that covered and the thing that you need to learn. For example, the evolution until the history of the total football tactic. And you can also delete it or close or minimize it like this. And even you can share this quiz into your another user of the Google Mail. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Google Notebook LM to create your table and also the quiz, and this will be very suitable for the educator. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.